Hello, my dear Elpis friends. How are you? I hope to find you well, and I take this opportunity to renew you my best wishes for the year of 2023. It's time now to prepare the volume 6 of our viewer review, and I'm here to challenging you to perform a view article on the theme Global, European, and National Courts in search of a multi-level rule of law. But first, I have to congratulate all the participants on the previous volume with the theme Climate Change Requires Global Change of Law for the excellent comments received from our growing community of readers, viewers, and listeners of the Alpes Viewer Review, both on the Alpes website and on YouTube channel. Do you know the question, which came first, the chicken or the egg? So now introduce it in the legal world and ask, which came first, the rule or the code? As a matter of fact, courts and law are inseparable, and both, from a historical and modern day perspective, no one can say exactly which came first, nor which is more important than the other. This is because the law exists to be applied, and that is the task of the court. By interpreting legal norms and transforming law in the books in law in action, the court plays a unique role in creating the law applicable to concrete life situations and ensures the rule of law. Moreover, the independence of the court is part of the division and separation of powers, which, together with the rule of law and the protection of human rights, form part of the idea of the Constitution. Constitution, which, as we already know, must be understood today from a borderless or multilateral perspective. So, our intention now is to take the courts on the spotlight and talk about all kinds of courts and their role in search of a multi-level rule of law. You may choose to talk about general or specialized courts, penal, commercial, administrative, whatsoever. National, European, or international courts. National courts dealing with supranational issues or international courts judging national conflicts. Conflicts or dialogue and cooperation between courts and jurisdictions. Code law or case law courts. Constitutional courts as guardians or as masters of the Constitution, and so on and so on. So, what do you say? Let's talk about courts and the rule of law in its multi-level dimension. How to do it? You know it already. The important thing is to choose a topic of your predilection on the theme Global, European, and National Courts in search of a multi-level rule of law. Preparing the article and sending it to us. Then we'll collect it in our review, and by the end of the day, we have a diversified and comprehensive global, European, and comparative viewer review. The deadline for the 6th volume of our viewer review would be the last days of March, first days of April, in order to have it published by the month of April. Let's do it. Just do what I'm doing right now. Record with the Zoom program or similar your article, send it to us that will put it on the web. As usual, I'm counting on the help of my colleagues Rui and Dimitrios to the coordination and edition of the review, and with Andrea for the technical issues. See you soon. Bye now. Take care.